Here's a quick video on how to get your grips off of an ATV. So I stuck this in there. So what I did, a little hole, you just you push it down as far as it'll go. And I just kind of work my screwdriver around it, prying it off. I have to pull it out and then go to the other side. And then what I do is I grab it and I twist a little bit and pull. You can see it's slowly separating away from the cluster right here. So I pull a little bit more. As I'm pulling, I'm twisting as well with both hands, and it's slowly coming apart. I'll get to the end here. So I'm just about there. You can see a couple last little twists, and it comes right off. On your Sportsman, if you want to be able to take this cluster off, there's a couple screws. I'll show you that in a different video.